All right, Abby, we're picking up my dream truck today. What do you think of it?
It's pretty cool. I think I was fast.
Oh yeah, 75 Ford HighBoy. You know why they called it a HighBoy? Yeah, when they built it, they put it on a Dana 44 front end axle, and it raised the front end, so they had to raise the back end 4 inches too. They used to call it a blue oval. That's the name Ford gave it, and then the users made it. People that bought them and drove them around started calling them HighBoys. But HighBoy used to be the name of dressers back in the olden times. There's a little history lesson for you. A HighBoy. I am excited about this. Look at this guy. Buying this right now. Then we're gonna do some fixing up. Bam! That's my dream truck because that's the one Grandpa Van had.
Really?
His was gray, but when I was a little kid, like 6 years old, he had one, and I remember going up into the mountains to go four-wheeling, and he got it stuck on a rock, and a tow truck had to come and get us. Yep, good times.
I'm not getting it. What? It's in the poopy.
Lisa's liking the old truck.
Oh.
A little fun and a little what?
Scary. I might
Listen to the squeaks.
kill us.
It's amazing.
Oh shoot.
Oh, yeah. We're going off-roading.
I don't think, okay, I'm gonna have to back up.
Yeah. Turning radius on this is not quite what we're used to.
Okay.
But it's a dream. Oh yeah. Back on the road.
Here we go. Can't quite see over the dashboard? No problem, no worries. The brakes work 50%.
They work perfect for an old truck.
No airbags? No problem.
No shoulder harness on the seatbelt? No problem.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Is that against the law?
Nope.
Uh-oh, what is that? Oh.
You're driving?
Low fuel economy. It was flashing.
Uh-oh.
The speedometer is broken. How fast am I going?
You never know. Sometimes the fuel gauge breaks too. Showed empty yesterday when I had 3/4 of a tank.